I was diagnosed with arthritis. My right foot did have it x-rayed, and the orthopedic doctor said he had never seen so much arthritis in that area of the foot. The pain was horrible to put any pressure down on my foot. I did have a knee replacement, which did not turn out too well, as my femur was broken during the surgery. One knee hurt because I had surgery, and the other knee hurt because it needed surgery. I was having a lot of pain in my back, my knees, my right foot, and my neck. I had been having a lot of pain for many years. I was taking medications, and it never, got any better. It got really bad where I was barely able to walk on my right foot. I was very unhappy. I was gaining weight because I wasn't able to move around very much, and I had to find a solution. And I went to see Julie. I was a little hesitant at first. I thought, well, it's not going to work on me. But it did. And I was able to get up out of my chair without any pain and stand straight up and stand on my foot. I'm still excited about it, and I'm still so happy that my life is turning around. I'm getting more active. I'm doing things I haven't done in years and enjoying it. I felt that a lot of the things that were holding me back were gone, and I had a new freedom, a new power within me that I can do these things now. All I can say, it was astonishing, and it still is. I get up and I walk tall and strong, and I have wonderful days.
I'm not used to running without shoes. But I couldn't do this. I couldn't do that. Run. I could only walk this way and not even straight. And now I could run.
I never thought that my life would be any different than it was before, and that's how my life went. But I found out it can be different. She helped me see, she helped me grow, she helped me let go, and here I am, and I am feeling good.